Ginatang sinaing or sinaing sa gata.
The U.S. Army has for the first time deployed a mid-range capacity land attack and surface-to-air missile defense system to the Philippines.
Happy Earth Day, everyone. Coconut milk cream fiesta platter is a very traditional and favorite culinary specialty of the Filipinos, especially the Tagalogs. It is somewhat like the paella of the Spaniards. In this recipe, I had shrimps, pink salmon,
Pasalubong ni
mussels,
Nanay ngayong linggo na
clams,
to.
beef, pork, chicken, and others cooked in coconut milk cream.